Well, the weather has been nice. I know we keep talking about this back-to-school shopping season starts, tax-free weekend starting. Is it going to be a good weekend to get out and do it?
It's going to be a good weekend to be in some air conditioning because, I mean, we haven't had really hot temperatures.
No.
Frank,
couple weeks.
Frank was telling me earlier that it's been 16 days since it's been 90. He's right on, and it's going to be 17 tomorrow, but this weekend's going to come close, so we'll be back to that heat.
Frank would be our director.
Yeah.
No, actually, a guy I just met on the street out back. So Frank the director, he's nice too, but yeah, Frank the director.
Just want people to know Frank Sinatra, Frank, Gorshin. I mean, Frank the director. Just want to make sure that.
All sorts of Franks around here. It's great. All right, let's pull up that graphic, by the way. Here you go. Your rush hour forecast will get you out the door tomorrow morning. Some patchy fog, especially those of you that had rain. Tuscarawas and Carroll County, you had some rain. Had a little bit of rain towards Aurora. Tweeted that out just a little while ago. That has since faded, but you may see some fog tomorrow morning. Temps near 70, and then by afternoon, more of the same. Most of us dry, but can't rule out some stray showers and thunderstorms as we've just got a lot of moisture overhead and a cold front approaching, as we'll show here in a second. No rain on the radar right now. We did have a little bit areas of northern Portage County heading up into Geauga County. That has faded, and I'm not expecting a whole lot overnight tonight. You can see this big old stream of moisture we've got out of the Gulf, though. Most of that east of us, but a lot of moisture lingering kind of in between. And we've got a cold front approaching. This cold front is a very weak one. It did help kick off some severe weather, though. Portions of northwest Indiana this afternoon and evening. This boundary is going to float into northwest Ohio as we go into the morning hours. May trigger a couple storms in the western half of the area tomorrow afternoon, but overall coverage with this thing as it weakens out going to be pretty slim to none. So we'll take you hour by hour. You can see the clouds hanging on as that stream of moisture just continues over the area. And there's your afternoon radar, a little popcorn nature to it. Here's that stuff out west, maybe some out to the east as well. Pretty random at where it develops, but they shouldn't last long. Temperatures up into the 80s in the afternoon tomorrow, and it'll continue to be humid. That Tribe game tomorrow night, it'll get in, may have a stray shower around the ballpark, but no worries. And then Saturday morning, we're dealing with a warming trend across northern Ohio as we heat up into the mid and upper 80s over the weekend. The Tribe game taking on LA Angels at home, 81 degrees, wind out of the south around 5 to 10. I mentioned that humidity. It has been pretty thick over the last couple of days. That continues to be the case all the way through next week. I don't see really a big clearing of this air mass until perhaps next weekend as it looks right now. And this is my screensaver. It's just gorgeous. Look at this. This is all the atmospheric moisture. And notice how it continues to funnel in from that south all the way through next week. So we're going to stay locked in with the clouds and the moisture as we go through the next 7 days. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. There's the isolated storms tomorrow. Look at the heat this weekend, though. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, well up into the 80s, and a real good chance at some garden-soaking storms as we go into Monday and Tuesday of next week. Guys.
All right, Matt, thanks a lot.